Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Check this out. Today, we're going to get the roof kind of on the tool shed. And that's what's going on at Noah's house. All right, guys. First off, a couple things that are different out here today. One, I'm sleeveless. It's supposed to be 75 degrees today in North Versailles, which is absolutely amazing. Got the hoops open. I had some ceilings out hardening off earlier. Put them back in there rough, a couple hours. But I cut the these boards for here. I have no idea how to do this. I watched a lot of videos. I did a bunch of math. Everything's so crooked. So I come up with my own way. I did some markings. I cut them yesterday. I did put the two in ones on earlier. And just because I wanted to make sure it was going to go. But I got the nailer out. I have 2 more boards to put on. And then we have some metal we're going to measure and put on. But got the ladder in there. I got the first 2 up. They went up kind of okay. I got a tape measure. I'm sure I should measure something. But I'm going to turn the compressor on. It's going to buzz. Let's get some rafters? Joists? I don't know what they are. Let's get them up there. I'm so confused on how to actually get this done. That gun, it's a little scary. Let's do a measurement here. Not a straight board in this whole project. While they're up there, I'm definitely going to edit out the part where I dropped the nail gun and it fell down and went in the dirt right here. Because, well, unless it's really funny, then I'll leave it in. I'm probably going to take it out. Oop, that's my microphone. But anyways, I just shut the compressor off because that little guy runs a lot. Is everything straight? I really doubt it. But it is, you know, I don't know. It's up there. It's kind of interesting. Did have a couple nails pop out of the wrong way. But I think I'm going to go through with some of the smaller nails I have. Pap a nail. Bam, 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 bam. Why? I don't really know. What I do know is I've seen people do that on TV. So, yeah. So I'm going to put some of them nails on the side. Is it called toenailing? Something? Cutting those bird's mouth things took me forever, and I did a terrible job at it. But I think I got everything relative. To put a board on the front and the back. And, excuse me, I may shorten them up. I'm not really sure. I might put another board underneath that metal brace there. I'm not sure. Let's put some more nails in. Okay, well, that's what I came up with. I don't know, looks kind of cool. Some of the nails popped out the other side. I'm not a carpenter by any means. Little disclaimer, I'm a lineman. I work out of a big bucket truck and hang cable in the air and put poles in the ground. And oh, another thing is, I just got that from Amazon, probably, I don't know, 7-8 months ago, but it was winter and I never had much time to use it. So I'm gonna learn how to use it. I'm sure people are gonna be like, oh my gosh, you were doing it wrong, you're gonna hurt yourself. It's a pretty, I have little nail guns, but this is a pretty big gun, but it really helped the process. One thing I'll say, I'm not a gun person. Never have been, probably never will be. So that gun, it scares the crap out of me too. But anyways, I think I'm getting used to using it. I don't think I was that unsafe, although if I look back, I probably was. So right now, all this is up, and it's just a matter of getting some metal up there. I'm gonna put some of those cross braces in there, probably a couple of those. Measure those out and go cut them and bring them over. And once I got some cross braces in there, well, then I could put the metal on and we'll have a roof. Whew. It's getting hot out. Well, look at that. Okay, little update. I have the rafters on, as you saw. I'll spin you around here. And I put these pieces in. Cross braces, maybe, is that what they're called? I don't know. But I put a bunch of those in. Everything's in there, a couple bent nails here and there. The front and the back edges that I cut aren't all together, put it that way. But get back out here. All in all, I should have started calling this the magical shed, not to have any copyright infringement, but you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna get a board for the front and a board for the back. Maybe I'll cut those boards right there a little shorter. I don't know. That's just an update, and then metal's coming soon. Whew, okay. Carpenter I'm not, a builder I am not. But let me spin you around and I'll show you what I've done. So I got all that up there. Let me zoom out a little. And I put that board up there to tie that in. And I did the same in the back. It comes down a little right here because I figured we had a lot of rain and snow. That'll be cool. Plus I'm gonna put a gutter on it. Not really sure what happened right here, but crooked boards. I almost used a piece of cedar. It was off of our house when we did it, which would have blown my pallet only build. Look at that. That's a lot of fasteners, a lot of wood. And I'm sure I could have built it cheaper if I bought it. Well, I couldn't have built it cheaper because basically all I paid for were nails and screws. But I don't know. Whew. I know I'm tired and I walk back to the house 1,000 times, get 1,000 tools. Man, let me wrap this up. Well, guys, this is my accomplishment for the day. I'm sure if you are a professional builder or carpenter, wow, was that really crooked? You're gonna laugh at what I built, but it's still a little wobbly this way. Really good this way. So maybe I'll put some more cross pieces in here. I have tons of actually little chunks of wood. But this is what I came up with. Check out me hanging out in the shed. And like I said, all this shed is for is to put shovels, rakes, forks, stuff for the compost bins. I'm going to put my buckets in there. I'm going to put a my thermometer in there, my pH meter in there. And I've always wanted to build something like this. And I decided, well, I have good access to pallets, either where I work or there's a place close by me that puts them outside and says free. So it's free wood. And I haven't done the sides yet. I'm going to put metal on the top. I thought I would get to that today, but I'm not because I'm tired. I like it. There's some nails that pop through. Everything's kind of crooked and bowed and it wiggles a little bit. But all in all, I think this is a pretty stellar build. It's probably overbuilt by 22%. What are you going to do? So I have some metal. I might just fill around with how that's going to go on. And the sides, I have a really cool idea for it. All pallets. Kind of like a shaker thing. But had my air nailer out, stuff like that. I'll edit this video up because there were some funny moments that were not funny. They're funny for me. But anyways, this is part 3 of the toolshed build. I should have called it the pallet toolshed build, but I didn't. So this is part 3 of the toolshed build, and that's what's going on at Noah's house today. Thanks for watching. Bye.